Let me show you how to eat on a budget at work. With just £15, lunch go settle. That's 14,000 naira. Chai! That's why I can carry avocado, I carry chicken, I carry scotch egg. So yeah, waiting the day, man. I can't slice the avocado. See, yalla hear anybody, I just slice the avocado anyhow. You see this one where they show you the seed. You get reason, make it they keep on if you like avocado, don't throw them away. Oh yeah, waiting next. Oh yeah, my scotch egg, waiting they slice them. Yalla with it, I just slice this thing like say they do Kung Fu Panda or something like that. Chicken, bam, for the plate. Waiting there. I don't finish the whole chicken, it'll make you call me gluten or something like that. See you got, see bread. My bread, I don't butter am. God, Father, don't butter my bread. Oh my God, So calm down. I don't calm down. I don't package the whole thing. See packaging. Chai for just £15 I can't eat to see how happy I dey. I no can't keep myself. Please, they enjoy life small. Eat well, man. Eat well. Abi, no be you kill Jesus now. Eat well. See you next time. Shamo.